Erastothenes was the chief librarian at Alexandria in ancient Egypt. He lived from 276 to 196 BC, and he worked out the size of the earth. To show you how he did this, we're going to use a pizza. So perhaps rather than Domino's pizza, this is Erastothenes' pizza. Let me show you how he did it. What Erastothenes noticed was that if you put a stick in the ground at Aswan in southern Egypt, around noon, that stick didn't really cast a shadow. But if you put the same stick in the ground further north in Alexandria, that stick did cast a shadow. Now that got him thinking why that would be. So the Egyptians had realised that the earth was roughly spherical well over 2,000 years ago. What Erastothenes noticed, though, was the angles. What Erastothenes noticed was that the angle made by the shadow of his stick would be the same as the angle between these two places at the centre of the earth. And that could allow him to work out how big the earth was. Because normally, to work out the size of a sphere or a circle, you need to know the radius. But Erastothenes didn't know that. What he had was this angle. What that allowed him to do was to work out how many slices that would make up the whole earth. So if one slice is this angle, we could work out how many slices would make up the whole 360 degrees of the pizza. To work out the size of the earth then, what Erastothenes needed to know then was the distance between the two places where he put the stick in the ground. When he worked that out, that gave him the circumference there, or the edge of his slice of pizza. He can work out the number of slices in his pizza, and from that, he worked out the size of the earth.